Well adapted to the urban environment, the common brush-tailed possum is a familiar face. This large grey possum should be easy to identify in the field. Ranging in colour from dark grey to jet black, the short-eared brush-tailed possum prefers thicker, wetter forest. Found in some western and southern suburbs, the hinterlands will give you the best opportunities to see this species. With unmistakable rusty red fur and a white-tipped prehensile tail, the common ringtail possum is easily identified in the field. Probably the most well-known glider would be the sugar glider. Similar to our larger squirrel glider, field identification can sometimes be tricky. If it has a white-tipped tail, you have a sugar glider, but not all sugar gliders have the white tip. A more rounded muzzle and thinner tail is another physical trait to look out for. An active glider capable of glides up to 70 metres, 20 to 30 metres is more likely. Insects, sap, pollen and nectar are on the menu for this gorgeous little glider. The world's smallest gliding mammal. Although thought to be common, seeing a feathertail glider in the wild is very rare. Slightly larger than the sugar glider, the squirrel glider might be the most encountered glider in the region. A much thicker tail and more pointed nose is something to look out for. Introducing the southern greater glider, ranging in colour forms from dark grey to almost white and in between. It's the large fluffy ears and tail for days that help identify this beautiful species. The greater glider is our largest gliding possum. With gliding membrane from elbows to ankles, the greater glider is rumoured to glide up to 100 metres. However, more realistically, 30 to 40 metres is more the truth. With a diet consisting of only eucalyptus leaves, greater gliders only require a relatively small home range. This glider may spend all night in this tree munching away. Greater gliders are easily detected by spotlight due to their bright white eye shine. Solitary and silent, these glorious gliders can easily go unnoticed whilst walking through the forest at night. Hollows play a vital role to the survival of this disappearing species. Even dead trees are a favourite home for this glider. In August and September, you may be lucky to see a baby greater glider. Saving the best for last, South East Queensland's rarest, the Yellow Bellied Glider. The most active and vocal glider, the Yellow Bellied is our largest wrist-winged glider. Capable of glides up to 90 metres, it is not uncommon to see glides up to 70 metres in distance. Foraging high in the treetops, yellow-bellied gliders eat insects, lerps, nectar, and are famous for chewing into the limbs of eucalyptus species to obtain the sap. With olive grey fur, yellowish belly, black arms and legs, long tail and naked ears, the yellow-bellied glider is heard more than seen. With loud shrieks and gurgles, yellow-bellied gliders communicate with each other to warn the presence of predators, intruders, and to stay in contact with their family group. The Yellow Bellied Glider Project is working towards a better understanding of the distribution and habits of this species in South East Queensland. The aim is to try and help conserve this disappearing glider.